Hello, in this video we're going to solve the equation 3 times the quantity x minus 2 equaling 5 times the quantity 2x minus 1. The very first thing we're going to want to do is consider clearing parentheses. And we can go ahead and do that by distributing the 3 that's in front of the parentheses on the left hand side, and after that distributing the 5 that's in front of the parentheses on the right hand side of the equal sign. What that will give us on the left is 3x minus 6. And on the right hand side, we'll have 10x minus 5. Now we want to start isolating x, meaning that any term involving x needs to be on one side of the equal sign, and any term that doesn't involve x needs to be on the other side of the equal sign. So there are a couple ways to do that. One way is to subtract 3x from both sides. Another way is to subtract 10x from both sides. Now, one advantage of subtracting 3x as opposed to 10x is that when you subtract it, in particular on the right-hand side, we're going to wind up with the positive coefficient of x. So let's see what happens after this takes place. On the left-hand side, we're going to have 3x minus 3x. Of course, those will cancel, and we're left over with negative 6. On the right-hand side, we have 10x minus 3x. Combining coefficients there, we'll have 7x, and the minus 5 is still remaining. Next, what we'll want to do is isolate x some more, and we can do that by adding 5 to both sides. On the left, we have negative 6 plus 5, giving us negative 1, and on the right-hand side, we have 7x. We're one step away from isolating x. And what that's going to require is, first of all, a notice that when we have it written as 7x, this really means 7 times x. So we want to undo this multiplication to x by 7. And the way to do that is to divide by 7. But keep in mind it is an algebra step. So if you divide the right-hand side by 7, you also have to divide the left-hand side by 7. The 7's divide out here. Oops, excuse me. There they go. And on the left-hand side, we can just leave our answer as negative 1/7. And x is now isolated, and our solution to this equation is negative 1/7. Equivalently, this would work out as x equals negative 1/7 just by flipping this statement. In a different video, we'll check that this truly is, in fact, the solution to this equation. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.